How to sell my Ticketmaster ticket on Seatgeek. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site seatgeek.com. Enter your login credential and then make sure that you are logged into a specific account. At the very top right, you can see the option of sale. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page. Simply click on Start Selling. Now click on Add Tickets over here. Two different options are available here. One is e-tickets and the other is NFL barcode tickets. You can choose any of it. Let me click on e-tickets. This interface will pop up. Here all you want to do is upload your tickets. Once you have uploaded, click on the tickets and then simply click on Sell over here. Enter all of the description of the tickets. Then click on List 2 tickets. And then your ticket will be ready to sell. So that's it, and this is simply how you can sell Ticketmaster ticket on Seatgeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.